This video is only for educational purpose. In this video, we are going to see stock market index. How the companies are categorized in NIFTY and SENSEX index. Stock market indices are classified as benchmark indices. For the NSE, top performing 50 companies are listed in NIFTY 50. In BSE, top performing 30 companies are listed in SENSEX. The sectoral indices is categorized based on where the company is doing their business in a particular sector. Based on the market capitalization, company is categorized as small cap, mid cap and large cap. On the NSE website, we can see all the companies in detail. Go to Market Watch and choose indices. On the list, we can see the companies are listed based on the benchmark, market capitalization and the sectoral indices. Check top 50 companies in NSE that are listed in NIFTY 50. These are the top 50 companies that determine the NIFTY 50 indices. Top 50 companies that are listed in NIFTY 50 are called as blue chip companies. Next 50 companies are shown as NIFTY Next 50. Based on the market capitalization, the companies are categorized as small, large and medium cap. Sectoral indices are created to check the performance of a particular sector, example automobile, finance, technology, healthcare, etc. To check the list of automobile companies that are listed in India, go to NIFTY Auto and you can view the list of companies that are under auto sector category. Since the companies are categorized based on the sectoral indices, we have a large option to choose from. To diversify your portfolio, choose the top performing stocks under various sectors. Click the below link to open free Demat account and pick your right investment.